Hey guys, this is Jason from Rebuilt Nation, and today we have for you bathroom refinish, and this is a very cheap way to make your bathroom look good, make it look brand new, let it feel comfortable again. If you don't have that lump sum to, fix a bathroom, bathrooms can cost a lot, and if you have like a family get together or something, you just want to make it look good, you can always use this product that I'm going to show you in a second to make your bathroom look good. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section. But as you can see, this is the state of the bathroom. This is our project today. This bathroom is in a very bad state, as you can see, and I'm going to show you what I use to make the magic happen. Remember guys, this is what it looks like, and it can be very frustrating going into a shower like this to take a bath. It's crazy. I'm just showing where there's a light. There was a light right there, and I'm going to replace that light. We take that one down, the old one that was there. I'm going to replace it with a brand new one, and we're going to paint that and let that wall look good. So this is what make the magic happen, guys. This is the magic. It's tough as tile. You find this in Home Depot, and it's for like $37 a box, and I used 2 boxes to give this bathroom the look that it needed. And look at this outcome, guys. Look at this outcome. Beautiful white tiles. Imagine from those yellow ugly tiles to this beautiful looking tile. Look at this. Beautiful. Clean as brand new. See that, guys? For cheap. For cheap. Don't stress yourself. For cheap. Remove all caulkings. Prep your wall. Wash your wall down. Follow the instructions on the box. And you give this enough 2 coats with the roller that comes in the box, and trust me, you will love the finish. Look at that glossy finish that you get. Just tape your walls, let it look neat. Tape your walls like you're painting, and apply. And I must warn you, need a mask. You're gonna need a mask for this job because it has a very high odor, very high scent, and not everyone can inhale all kind of scents. And that's me on the left right there. Yes guys, so I was just basically, this is an old project that I've done, and I've taken some pictures, so I'm just putting the clippings together to make you guys see what you can achieve for cheap. These tiles are all yellow, and look at them now, white and beautiful. Now this is a bathroom you want to come and sit in and feel comfortably in. Beautiful. This toilet, we did a toilet change, and toilet that was there was too small, so this toilet was a brand new toilet. We got this for like 89 bucks at Home Depot, and it is very, 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 very good toilet. That light right there, we got that for like 15 bucks at Home Depot. Everything I used in this video was bought at Home Depot, and yes, you can just run down to your Home Depot store. If you're living in the USA, of course, I'm sure you're maybe within 15 minutes of a Home Depot store. There you go. For 15 bucks, you get that light. That's where they wanted it. That's where I put it back, Yeah. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Leave your comments in the comment section. I need to hear from you. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you'll try? Is this something you think you would want to do in your bathroom for under $200, guys? Under $200. Bathroom can be very costly. So let me know what you think. Peace out.